Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook delicious lemon pepper wings in an air fryer. We'll cover everything from preparing your wings to achieving that perfect crispy finish. This method is incredibly efficient, allowing you to enjoy restaurant-quality wings in under 30 minutes. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this simple, yet incredibly flavorful recipe. First, let's get those wings ready for their air fryer journey. It's crucial to pat about 1.5 pounds of chicken wings very dry. This helps achieve maximum crispiness. Next, toss them in a large bowl with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Finally, add 2 generous tablespoons of lemon pepper seasoning, ensuring every wing is evenly coated for maximum flavor. Now for the main event, air frying. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Place the seasoned wings in a single layer in the basket, making sure not to overcrowd them. Cook in batches if necessary. Air fry for a total of 20 to 25 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through to ensure even crispiness on all sides. Once your wings are golden brown and perfectly crispy, it's time for the finishing touch. In a small bowl, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and stir in 1 additional tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. Drizzle this delicious sauce over your hot wings and toss to coat them evenly. Serve these incredible lemon pepper wings immediately with a side of ranch or blue cheese dressing for an unforgettable treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.